Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use the midline theorem in geometry. So as you can see, we have a line segment here, and the length of this is 2x plus 4. The length of BD is 2x plus 4. And we also have the length of AE, which is 10x plus 2. And what we want to do is find out the value of x as well as the actual length of these two line segments. So how would we know that? Well, if BD is a midpoint, that means the length of CB is equal to the length of BA. And that also means the length of CD is equal to the length of DE. So if this is true, then that means this line is a line segment. And that also means that BD is parallel to AE. So if that is so, then we have the formula BD is equal to 1/2 of AE. So in other words, BD is half of AE. So now we could simply just plug in our values here and solve for x. BD is 2x plus 4. And this is equal to 1/2 of 10x plus 2. So let's first distribute this 1/2. 1/2 times 10x is 5x plus 1/2 times 2 is 1, and this is equal to 2x plus 4. Now we're going to subtract 2 on both sides. So 2x minus 5x, that's 3x. And we're also going to subtract 1 on both sides. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Now if we divide 3 on both sides, we get that x is equal to 1. So now we found out the value of x. So we can now simply plug x into both our expressions here. So BD, this is equal to 2 times 1 plus 4. 2 times 1 is simply 2, so this is 2 plus 4, and this is equal to 6. So the length of the line segment BD is 6. Now let's find AE. AE is equal to 10 times 1 plus 2. And this is equal to 10 times 1 is simply 10, so 10 plus 2 is 12. So the length of the line segment AE is 12. And that's how you use the midline theorem to solve for line segments.